I don't know when it happened, but somehow business owners are now required to be content creators in addition to providing a product or service. If you're feeling overwhelmed by marketing your business, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's hop in. I had the pleasure of facilitating a roundtable discussion with 3 incredible female founders to talk about their journeys as women in tech. The replay of that live is linked in the description if you missed it. Taylor's founder story was especially interesting to me because she could have easily created a course or program to teach marketing strategy to her clients, but instead, she decided to create software. The name of her software company is Enji, and they are kindly sponsoring this video. What is Enji?
Enji is marketing software for small business owners who have to do their own marketing, but are not marketing experts. So Enji is like the Canva of HubSpot, where Canva is this really user-friendly piece of software that has empowered non-graphic designers to create graphics versus using something that's more professional grade like Adobe products. So similarly, HubSpot is this suite of marketing tools that sophisticated marketers who have departments and degrees really love to leverage because it helps them understand what they're doing and the impact of their marketing and coalescing around a single goal. That's what we're doing for small businesses, but we have built all of our tools on the premise that you're not a marketing expert. And so you don't want to sit down to a computer or a piece of software and have to come up with all of your strategies, all of your tasks. And you also need your hand held a little bit to understand what's working on the marketing front.
After I reached out to Taylor to create the marketing graphics for our live stream, she sent me her branding assets via Enji, and that's when I really started to connect the dots. I didn't have to ask her for her brand colors. I had so many logo variations to choose from, and everything was consolidated at one link that I could easily share with members of my team. By not being more organized, we often make it more difficult for people to refer us or to delegate to our team. Enji makes that easier.
Within Enji, you have access to the most foundational thing first, which is your marketing strategy. And so you can come play a game of 20 questions with us. And then at the snap of a finger, you basically get a marketing strategy that's customized to your business and your goals and your customer personas. And then from there, we have all the tools that you need to really start to wrap your arms around how do I do this strategy? And that's always been a huge question for small business owners is you can have the plan, but then if you don't know how to do the plan, it's like you don't have a plan in the first place.
There are several tools built into the dashboard of Enji. The marketing strategy generator will help business owners find some clarity regarding how they should be showing up online. There's a brand asset library. You have a KPI dashboard so you can easily analyze the success of your marketing efforts. There's a marketing calendar, social media scheduler, AI copywriter, marketing campaign templates, media kits, and so much more. And if you are anything like me, you have had this information spread across emails, Google Docs, and random Dropbox folders. Now I can put everything in one place and market with confidence and clarity.
I've had so many small business owners tell me in reviews and testimonials and on phone calls that we have taken this thing that they hate doing, which is marketing. And they actually have started describing it as something that they love and find joy in because they have so much clarity around it. And it's way less overwhelming of a thing that they need to do because they feel like they have a real person behind them supporting them, which they actually do.
If you've been feeling like you need to be a jack of all trades, but you're not a master when it comes to marketing, head over to my link, lashondabrown.com/Enji. I worked with Taylor to create a budget-friendly way for you to start using Enji right away. My link will give you a free 14-day trial so you can make sure it's a good fit for you. If it is a good fit, you'll receive 15% off your first 2 months when you upgrade. When I started Bootstrap Biz Advice, I was determined to do my best to find budget-friendly solutions that will help you to grow your biz without breaking the bank. Enji fits that description. I can't wait to hear the stories about how it's helping you to grow in the weeks and months to come. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you head to lashondabrown.com/Enji to snag your free trial and your special discount. And don't forget, let Taylor know I sent you. Until next time, ta-ta for now.